So in that, we learned how to design this favorite icon, adding the favorite icon into the pages. Have you tried that favorite icon? Anyone? Have you tried the favorite icon? Have you tried these options up to now? Were you able to achieve that? Very good. Right. So you are successful in achieving that favorite icons, no? Right. So we learned about these two options, how we can design and configure. Now in the head section, another important in the head section, we have one more option is meta. Meta. Actually, meta have a lot of options. The purpose of meta, actually meta means metadata. Metadata means information about your page. So to whom you are telling this information? So who needs that information about the page? Information about your page, so which is used in SEO, search engine optimization. That means while searching, when search engines are searching, then they can use this meta to identify your page. Not only that SEO, so it also makes responsive page. Responsive page means page will fit according to which device you are watching. If you are watching on mobile, it will fit to mobile. If you are watching on laptop, desktop screens, tabs, it will fit to those screens. But remember, meta is one option in SEO. Meta is one option in responsive. It doesn't mean that by writing meta, that is enough. Your website will be search engine friendly. No, you have to follow so many standards. You have to follow so many standards and so many rules. Out of all those standards and rules, meta is one option. Don't think that meta is the only option. Many times people ask, sir, if I write meta, will my page become responsive? Only meta will not make the page responsive. Several other options will be there. Meta provides one option. So out of so many options, meta is one option. So to make the page responsive. So meta is used in SEO. Meta is used in making the page responsive also. So meta actually contains information about your page. For example, see, suppose let's open search, Google search engine. Here we are searching for best software training institute, some in Hyderabad. Then you can see some results come. So when we search for these words, some results came. Now the question is, why these people are at the top in the search results? Why these people are top in the search results? If anyone asks that question, why these people are top in the search results, then actually 2 points are there. One, so Google AdWords. Google AdWords means, so they may be paying to Google. When they pay to Google, Google will keep their website top in the results. in the top results. So they may be paying to Google. Google have that business, AdWords we call it as. That means you can see Google have Google AdWords. This is Google AdWords. So this Google AdWords is nothing but it says that grow your business with Google Ads. That means if anybody is searching for your type of business, then automatically your website results will come. Your website list will come. Your website information will come. For that you can pay. You pay money to Google, then Google put advertisements. Means Google will show your website in the top. That is actually Google business. But these people are not doing business. How you can tell that? These people are not doing the business. How you can tell that? Because we can tell that because. So if they are doing business, beside their name, AD will come. For example, see here, I am searching for best some data science training institute in Hyderabad. When I search for best data science training in Hyderabad, you see some other websites came. And in that you can observe there is an option called AD. There is an option called AD. That means these people are advertising. That means why they came top? Because they are paying to Google for that. So this is called advertisement. And all are not paying. Others again, you see, some other websites came, they are not paying. So then how these websites are coming top? That is because of SEO, search engine optimization. That means our developers have to write and design the page in such a way that search engine can easily understand. You observe here, when I search previously, best software training institute in Hyderabad, you see in the results, one word came. You see, they say that this Naresh I Technologies, their websites mentions this word, best software training institute. That means where they mentioned that word. So where they have mentioned this word, they have mentioned this word in their website. Where? They will not mention in general website body. So they mention in the metadata. So generally, who is doing this searching job? This searching job is done by robots. We call them as web spider and web crawler. Web spider and web crawlers. These are robots. That means when you design a page, you have to design it robot friendly so that robot can easily understand and easily access your page and show in search results. So that is done by using Meta. So Meta have a lot of attributes. What are those meta attributes and how to write them? I will tell you. Remember, Meta have no information to show us. So I will run this now. Title and everything is displayed here. Title and shortcut icon is displayed here. You write Meta, it is not going to show inside the body. It is used by SEO. So when we write Meta, here I am writing Meta. And Meta is expecting some options like Meta have an attribute called character set, char set. Meta character set. So this character set indicates which language is used for designing the page. Which native language is used for designing the page? Which native language is used for designing the page means, so this character set, so that means that is for SEO. Character set means character set will be UTF-8, that is the character set for all English languages. If you are using here at the top language English, then the character set you have to write UTF-8. It may be any English, German English, French English, US English, UK English, any English, UTF character 8 will be there. So if you are using like Chinese, Korean, Japanese, so Chinese and Arabic like, then you will have